If you've ever stood in the vitamin aisle wondering which one will actually grow my hair, you're not alone. Hair vitamins promise longer, thicker hair, but many people take them for months and see nothing. Today we're cutting through the confusion. I'm breaking down what hair vitamins really do, which ones actually support growth, and why supplements fail so many people. Stay with me, because the truth about hair vitamins could completely change your hair journey. Why hair stops growing hair doesn't just stop growing for no reason. Most slow growth or shedding comes from nutrient deficiencies, weak follicles, hormonal imbalance, chronic stress, inflammation, poor scalp circulation. Your hair follicles are living tissue. When they don't get what they need, growth slows or stops. Hair vitamins can help, but only when used correctly. Hair vitamins that actually support growth: 1. Biotin, vitamin B7. Supports keratin production and strand strength. Helpful for brittle or breaking hair, but not a miracle alone. 2. Iron. Low iron is one of the top causes of hair shedding, especially in women. Without oxygen, follicles weaken. 3. Vitamin D supports follicle cycling. Low levels are linked to thinning and slow regrowth. 4. Zinc. Helps repair follicles and regulate oil glands. Too little leads to shedding. Too much causes loss. Balance matters. 5. Vitamin C boosts collagen and iron absorption. Stronger scalp structure equals stronger hair. 6. Vitamin E improves scalp circulation and reduces oxidative stress. These vitamins don't force growth. They support the conditions for growth. Why hair vitamins often don't work. Here's what most people aren't told. If you're not deficient, supplements won't help. Stress can override vitamins. Poor diet cancels. Supplement benefits. Taking too much can cause hair loss. Hair growth is internal and external. Vitamins support the foundation, but routine, scalp care, and lifestyle complete the picture. How to use hair vitamins: correctly get blood work if possible. Choose supplements with moderate doses. Take with food. Be consistent for 3 to 6 months. Pair with scalp massage and gentle hair care. Hair grows in cycles. Vitamins don't show instant results, but they build strength over time. Trust, mindset, and realistic expectations. If you felt disappointed by supplements before, hear this. Your hair isn't broken. Your body may simply need balance, not overload. Hair vitamins work best when paired with patience, nourishment, and self-care. This journey isn't about rushing, it's about supporting your body so growth becomes natural again. Hair vitamins are tools, not miracles. When used wisely, they can reduce shedding, strengthen strands, and support growth. But real results come from consistency and understanding your body. Comment below. I'm taking control of my hair health. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because next we're breaking down natural alternatives to hair vitamins that work just as well. Your hair can grow, you just have to support it correctly. If you enjoyed this video, I have more that's going to pop up right now on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed.